Welcome PSY 310 students. This is my week 13 commentary in our spring 2018 semester together. This week marks an important turning point in the course. One, because the oral presentations are going to be completed, and two, because we have the 3 weeks left in the semester. So it's time to really focus on good endings. Use the oral presentation as an opportunity to get feedback on your course project as a work in progress. That is not a completed paper, that's why it's oral. Be sure that peer review forms are filled out and are submitted to me as I use them for the basis for grading. Turning now to the international collaboration, let me say I'm pleased that there are 40 people now at the Google Community site. If you haven't accessed the community, please do so, at least for your own benefit, to know the kinds of collaboration that are possible. And if indeed you're willing to go further, post your introduction there, and perhaps even collaborate, which is to say interview a Czech peer. I'll be happy to help with that. If anybody needs help, email me and we can set up a conference video, sorry. Turning to the content of this week, this is a low profile but important chapter in Funder, chapter 15 I believe, and it covers what are called the processes of personality. And really what we're looking at here are correlations between personality styles in the areas of perception, cognition, and emotion. So those of you who recently took a Psych 100 course, you'll know these are classic topics in psychology, and seeing how they contribute to our ideas about the unconscious and the unconscious processes that shape our experience makes for some very interesting reading. More specifically, I hope you'll be interested in defensive pessimism. I think that's a wonderful piece, as well as the cognitive experiential self theory by Epstein and later modified by one of my most admired figures, which is Daniel Kahneman. So there are 2 supplemental links in this week's folder that can give you a deeper look at those special topics. The last test is the prep notes are available for you, and you can complete that test anytime between now and the end of the semester. And of course, one of the tests is optional, being as it can replace a low test grade. Okay, I think those are my notes for this week. Spring is here in the Czech Republic. I anticipate leaving Liberec this week, but I will be online as I am going to visit Amsterdam before returning to Massachusetts and then Maine. I will be back on campus approximately May 15th. So those are my major points for this week. I wish you well in pulling together your course project and taking advantage of the opportunities we have in this course. I think it's been a good semester so far, and these last 3 weeks will really give us a chance to put the frosting on the cake, as it were. So by all means, reach out if I can help you in any way at all. Happy to do it. And I appreciate the effort that many of you have put into this course today.